Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, chances are you're dealing with that super frustrating error code 202 on your Samsung TV. You're not alone, this issue has been driving a lot of people crazy, especially when your TV says it's connected to Wi-Fi, but apps like Netflix, Hulu, or even the Smart Hub just won't load. Let's fix that. So first, what's happening? The TV connects to your Wi-Fi just fine, but when it tries to access the Smart Hub or stream anything, it fails. The real clue is in the error message, something about an IP blocking the service. That's error code 202. If you've tested a wired LAN connection and it works perfectly, that confirms it's a Wi-Fi configuration or router issue, not a TV hardware problem. Now, you might have already tried some things, resetting the TV, updating the software, changing the DNS to 8.8.8.8. I did all of that too, and nothing worked, until I did a full power cycle of all my devices. Here's what finally fixed it. I unplugged my modem, then unplugged the Wi-Fi router, and also unplugged the TV. Waited a minute or so. Then I plugged the modem back in first and let it fully power up. Next, I plugged in the router and waited again. Finally, I plugged the TV back in. Somehow, powering everything off and on in that exact sequence helped re-establish the right network handshake between the TV and the router. After that, the Smart Hub and all my apps started working again over Wi-Fi. But if that still doesn't solve it for you, here's another thing to try, especially if you're using Xfinity or have a similar network setup. Go into your TV's network settings and manually enter the IP information. Set your IP address to something like 10.0.0.0.86, Subnet Mask 255.255.255.0, Gateway 10.0.0.0.1, and DNS Server 75.75.75.76. It sounds technical, but Samsung TVs let you type all of this in manually. This helps avoid whatever automatic IP conflict might be happening on your network. And one last little trick. If you're resetting your Samsung TV and it asks for a PIN, but your smart remote doesn't have numbers, hold down the back and play /pause buttons together to repair your remote. Once it's paired, press the 123 button and the number pad will pop up on the screen so you can input the PIN and complete the reset. So yeah, error code 202 is a pain, but the fix is usually one of those steps. Either power cycling everything in the right order, manually entering the IP settings, or making sure your remote is paired properly so you can reset things the right way. Hopefully this helped you get back to streaming without issues. If it did, drop a like and maybe even a comment to let others know what worked for you. Thanks for watching.